Hi everybody, it's something a little bit different today. It probably won't be a very long video, but it's a chapter member wedding today, so that's going to be exciting. A chapter member Trevor is getting married on Penarth, so just heading down now. We're going to do a wedding escort. I think I got the bridesmaid Megan on the back of the bike with me, so that's going to be interesting. And yeah, a few of us are going to escort him down to the wedding from his house. So let's head off. We're all meeting up in Nangarrow first, so let's go. My GoPro just went flying. My GoPro just went flying off the bike. For some reason, it's a bit scratched up, but it goes straight into the hard shoulder, so happy days. It looks like it's still working. Let's carry on. There's a few of us here now in Nangarrow. The GoPro's still working, which is great. Say hi everyone. So let's go and meet everyone and head to the venue. Excellent. What we got here? Here's the groom. How are you, dude? You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yes?
I'm ready.
It'll never be the same again, you know that?
You must be a bad bagger to have weather.
Fantastic.
Feel the kindness in your eyes. I see the way you look tonight. It makes me wanna hold you. If I could stop the hands of time and hold back the morning light, just so I can hold you. 'Cause I've been waiting so long to say, will you be mine forever? And now we've become more in love than we have ever been. Patiently, we take each other's hands. You and I, we got wild love, wild love. You and I, we got wild love, wild love. You and I, we got wild love, wild love. You and I, we got wild love, wild love. Everything makes sense when I'm spending time with you. I just wanna hold you, and the joy that fills the air when I say the words I do. I'm so glad I found you, 'cause I've been waiting so long to say, will you be mine forever? And now we've become
This is a nicer day than we've had on you.
Alright, Trev.
Hey,
You made it. Are you here? What's happening then? Is there something going on, is it? Happy days. Right then, let's get a shot of the bikes before we head back. I'm going to go back home now, get the train, come back down, get here for the evening, do sort of a little look at the bikes before I head off. I'm not going to film on the way home because I can't really trust my bracket very much going back. I don't want the GoPro coming off again, but here's all the bikes. We gotta
Stand up. Like this.
say hello.
Yeah.
Are you gonna get a Harley-Davidson? Oh, pigeon nearly took him out. Sorry. Right then, guys, I'm going to be heading off in a minute. I shall see you all later.
Thanks, Greg.
Just at the train station here in Quakers Yard. Going to get the train down to Pontypridd. Pontypridd to Penarth, and meet up with everyone, have a drink. It's starting to rain, but haven't got to worry about that on the train. This is the new train station in Quakers Yard. Spent quite a money on this. Quite a bit of money. It's looking good. Anyway, let's go. Well, that wasn't a bad walk from the train station, about 8 minutes, and back here at the venue. Let's have a look inside.
Attentive, looking after you.
I bumped into Carol, the bride, the beautiful bride, looking lovely.
Thank
Have you had a
you.
nice day?
Lovely day, thank you.
Fantastic, and it was
Thank
a good ride
you.
earlier. And what's the plan for this evening?
Just get drunk and dance.
Sounds good to me. I heard there's pizza.
There's pizza too. Trevor's favourite food.
Oh, fantastic.
Thank you.
Right, we've got Trevor by here. He's happily married now. How'd it go, dude?
It's good. It was good. I'm single no more, but happy.
So what's the plan for tonight then?
We're going to party. We're going to party tonight, and then we'll be back on the road for the next ride.
Fantastic. I've heard there's pizza.
It is pizza.
Oh.
Should be enough to go around.
Excellent. Is it considered bad form if I just take a whole pizza and sit down with it?
No, you're fine.
Is it? Alright, fantastic. Let's do that.